Hello friends, welcome to Maitreya Tech. Are you looking for a good smartwatch under 5000? In this video, we are going to discuss about the best smartwatches under 5000. Smartwatches have recently become very popular around the world. In the present situation, COVID-19 pandemic, smartwatches are especially helping people stay fit and monitor their health. By using smartwatch, we can know our blood oxygen level and our heart rate. Smartwatches are not a big price, it will come with below 5000. But under 5000 they have limited specifications. We can check our blood oxygen levels and it will monitor our heart rate in 24 hours. But we cannot receive call from the smartwatches. It can show notification, calls, messages and apps. Here we pick some of the best smartwatches below 5000. Smartwatches are various brand and bigger screen, a variety of different fitness tracking features. And it also measures steps and cycling, also swimming. All the links I give in the description, please check it. Number 1. Amazfit BeepU Smartwatch. Amazfit brand is specially designed best smartwatches in our budget. This brand specially focus on youth and middle class. This watch comes with 1.43-inch HD color display. Display has 60 plus sports mode. You can change the display as you like it. It can measure the blood oxygen levels. It monitors heart rate 24/7 and PAI health assessment system. This smartwatch shows notification for incoming calls, text messages, apps and calendars. It is suitable for all iOS and Android smartphones. It has 9 days battery life. It also measures our sleep quality and stress level monitoring. Cons: there is no GPS and there is no water assistant. Second, Noise ColorFit Pro. Noise is a brand specially made smartwatches. This smartwatch has 1.5-inch HD display. It monitors blood oxygen levels and it can also monitor sleep and stress level. The smartwatch monitors your sleep pattern and sleep breath quality, be in the no deep or light sleep. It has auto sports mode, which is helps walking, running recognition. It can track your calories burn. It comes with the 5 ATM waterproof design. It can analyze your health progress report extra. Cons: there is no GPS feature. Third, Realme Watch 5. This watch has a 1.3 TFT LCD touchscreen display. Display has auto brightness adjustment. And this display has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. This watch is a premium look and high durability with aluminum alloy case. It can monitor our blood oxygen level and heart rate. It has a notification system display for incoming calls alert. It has fast charging technology. We can use 15 days battery runtime with 2 hours of charging. The display has 16 plus sports modes and it has IP68 water resistant. Cons: there is no GPS feature. Fourth, Firebolt SpO2 full touch smartwatch. This smartwatch has 1.4-inch HD display. The display has multiple watch faces. It can measure blood oxygen levels and optical heart rate sensor with real-time monitoring of treat during exercise. It can also measure blood pressure. It has 8 days battery life and watch standby time of 360 hours. It can track step and running, cycling, skipping, badminton and some sports extra. Cons: there is no GPS feature. Fifth, Nicefit Endure SpO2 watch. This smartwatch can measure blood oxygen level with inbuilt SpO2 monitor. It connects with Google Fit and track your all activities at one place. This feature can available only on Android devices. It can measure our steps and running, breathing activity. It can measure ladies' menstruation tracking. It is very useful for ladies. It has 720 hours battery life. Cons: there is no GPS feature and there is no water resistant. So these are the top 5 best smartwatches. All the links I gave in the description. Please check it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.